Hey guys, it is Incredible Wolf 23 here, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and today I will be making slime, and this is a tutorial on how to do it. So let's get started. First thing, we add in the glue, and you don't have to add in too much, but for today I'm not going to be adding too much. Then we add in food dye. Today I have blue food dye, which I will be adding in. Then we will mix the glue and the food dye together until it is the right color that you want it to be. And you can always add in more food coloring if you want it to have more color. Which some people use borax and water. Today I'm using laundry detergent. Once you've added in your choice of activator, you can mix it until it's not so sticky anymore. As you can see, it's kind of already starting to form, but I'm pretty sure since it's not exactly forming quite yet, I'm going to need to add a little bit more. This is a few moments later after trying to mix it, so it's pretty sticky right now, and I will soon begin to start kneading. I have kneaded it a bit, and it is now not so sticky anymore. And so yeah, there we go. That was the tutorial on slime. And down in the comments below, let me know if you have done this before and done this slime, and tell me how you like it, because I really like it. Alright, make sure you subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.